Ray White Coffs Harbour is proud to introduce 27 Dorrigo Street, located in the historic village of Coramba. Originally at the centre of our gold mining and timber heritage, this is a tranquil place to live and raise your family on the Coffs Coast. Enjoy the pristine Orara River, the lifeblood of the region as it winds its way through the hinterland, and stroll to the popular general store, cafe, plus the local primary school at your virtual doorstep. The home itself is an Australian-style cottage, enjoying the northerly aspect and uninterrupted rural outlook. Inside is a prime example of the period home, with 3 bedrooms featuring French doors that open off the main living and master bedroom, timber windows and wraparound veranda adding to the overall charm and character of the home. The new kitchen and walk-in pantry is complete with servery to the alfresco entertaining area. The backyard is landscaped with easy care terrace gardens. This is a complete lifestyle package. Only 15 to 20 minutes leisurely drive from the city centre, regional airport, local beaches and the hospital. For further information or to book a viewing, please contact Ray White Coffs Harbour.